Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Master Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to stop YouTube app captions. To do this, you just need to go to the YouTube video that is using captions like this.
In order to turn it off,
you
first
can
thing
see
is
the captions. If you don't want to see the captions, you just need to click on that icon with CC on the top right of the screen, and as you can see now, there is no more captions in the screen and the video now is playing without any captions. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video and also to share it with your friends, and see you in the next one.